Good evening to all of you. Hopefully, you all have spent your day well and have watched my previous videos in which I have explored different and new features of different applications. And today, I am going to explore another new application that is also going to help you in your study. And just let's see what function it performs for our phone, for our study, and for us. It's actually WPS Office. So let's see how you can add any document to WPS Office, how you can edit any document through WPS Office, or how you can start like add to favorites any documents, so you don't need to find it in other local documents. First of all, we have recent. Whatever document I have opened in my phone was through WPS Office. Next to it, click on share. So I haven't saved any files to the local space of WPS Office or shared any file through a local space of WPS. So there's nothing. I haven't started any like edit to favorites any document, so it's also empty. So here let's just see. I am adding the very first one, but the second one, this one option I am adding to selecting, and then just see what options I got. Merge file and batch rename. Merge file means if you want to merge these two files, like if you have two documents and you want them to be seen in single file, so you can select these two and then just merge them. So after this, we also have another option that was batch rename, like it's geography. So I need to connect my phone to internet to edit, to rename any application. So for this, so let's just make our Wi-Fi on so that we can utilize its other functions which aren't available offline. Otherwise, you can open any document through WPS Office online. You just need data to edit some options, some specific options in WPS Office. So say, just let's see what's the next is here, that is the cross. And now PDF, just see what it is giving us. Upgrade to WPS Pro, and we are not having it. Next is PDF edit. Next is PDF signature. Next is convert file. So the first one, PDF edit, means click on it and edit any PDF through it, like geography. And you can add any picture to this PDF from your gallery, or you can just add some text, or you can add some pictures from your gallery directly to it, like any of these. If I want to edit to them, click on OK and it will be saved here. Next is if you want to add some other document, like if you want to remove watermark or if you want to add any watermark to the document, then surely you can have it. So after it, what you have to do, if you want to share it through WPS, then click on the arrow at the top, and now just click on Gmail, WhatsApp, Messenger, or Bluetooth to any application you want to share it. Next is share as file or PDF to Word. Like if you want to share this document, this PDF as file, or if you want to send this PDF as Word document, so you can convert it in both forms and just send to it. You don't need to make any other edits. Then still, if you want to have a print of it, then just make it in print form. If you want to view it and edit it on other devices, then just allow this permission. Next is set password and share. It means that if you have an important document you don't want anyone else to see rather than the person you are sharing to, either in your phone or either in someone else's phone. And the second thing, that you are adding this option so no one can copy paste from that document. No one will be able to copy and paste that material anywhere else. So set password and share. Next is image only PDF, like all these pictures will be showed as one image. Next is export images. It means add images to this picture. Click on more. More means more applications, all applications to which you can share this document will appear here. So that's all about WPS Office. And through here you can open any document, you can edit any document, or you can also share to someone else so they can also enjoy it and use it or utilize it.